do you have to say for today's match?
We will win 10-0.
10-0?
We will beat Cameroon.
Cameroon?
I love Cameroon also.
Okay.
We will take the World Cup.
You take the World Cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure of that.
You're sure of that?
What about you?
Yeah, it's only Brazil that I'm confident
you
of.
can't put the camera on.
Yeah, I think it's only Brazil I'm confident of because they have a very good squad. There's nothing like first team or second team. So Brazil is the only team that you can't say that okay, this person is
1.1, 1.2.
No, but I hope that it will be a good game.
okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Nigeria is not.
It doesn't matter. It
So
doesn't
you are with
matter.
Brazil today.
Yeah, you have Harris of stars. So so many star players. Without Neymar, you are doing it very well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And with Neymar, they will do,
Okay.
Craziest thing.
So when is he coming back from injury?
the second round. Yeah.
Second round. Okay. So hopefully we'll see Neymar because we missed his dribble skills.
Inshallah.
What do you want to say about Brazil, their performance in this tournament?
Well, the performance now is good. I think they have great players, both the start and the substitution. They all good.
Okay.
We will win this cup for sure. We could play with two teams, Brazil A, Brazil B. We'll reach the final and win it. Brazil, the six is coming home.
It's coming home.
Yeah, it's coming home. Like the England says, it's coming home.
All right. So what's your prediction for today's match against
This
Cameroon?
match against Cameroon, I hope the coach start to rest the main players. Like we
Okay.
need Casemiro, Marquinhos, Thiago Silva, all to rest because we have big games in the knockouts.
Okay. All right. So your prediction for Cameroon against Cameroon today?
Maybe 2-0.
2-0.
3-0.
3-0.
Yeah.
You know Cameroon is this match as
Yeah, to get it around. Cameroon is going home. It's going back to Africa.
going back to Africa.
Yeah, going back to Africa.
All right. Thanks so much for
Thank
your
you,
time.
my man. Have a nice time.
Good evening.
Yeah, good
All right.
evening.
So yeah, welcome to Sports Catalog.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So African team, European teams, they're all playing today. So what do you have to say?
Really, it's been an interesting one. This World Cup has been a World Cup of surprises. Most of the African teams going into this World Cup, so to say, many people were not confident about them, but some of them they've actually shown that African football has come a long way. So Morocco, for example, we see what they have done, and even Ghana, though right now they are losing, but they have shown that they deserve to be here. And
Senegal have been so impressive.
Senegal, wow! It's just wow. They've been impressive, and I hope they will go beyond the second round.
So what are the chances for Cameroon against?
Unfortunately, the chances for Cameroon to go to the second round is very slim. Anything can happen in football, but we're talking about Brazil here. How would they beat Brazil? It's going to be an uphill task, but we just have to wait and see. But I'm not giving them any chances, really.
Because people are saying, the fans are saying that without Neymar, without their first team, the second team can also do it for Brazil.
Sure, you're correct. The second team of Brazil is as good as the first team of some teams in the tournament. We're not taking anything away from the Cameroonians. They are also good. But football, football has a way of doing its own thing, and you can't take away history also from football.
Okay, last night, Spain were nearly eliminated. So what do you have to say about all these smaller teams?
Yeah, like I said from the beginning, this is a World Cup of surprises. You see what happened to Germany. I think Spain has to give a special present to Costa Rica for losing, because if Costa Rica had won, it would have been Spain Baba, So, and football is surprises, but good one for Spain. Hopefully they go, but really they're not looking like a strong side.
Okay, so which team are you confident of that they are going to reach the semi-final? Because what? It's Belgium. They're out.
Belgium is out. Belgium is out. Belgium, I think, at the beginning was a team to look out for, but so sorry. And if you watch or listen to the commentaries from the sports pundits. They've been saying they are old guys, you know, this their generation. So they need to come out again with new guys, fresh blood. But right now, I'm supporting Brazil. I know they will go. They will make it to the semi-finals. Sure, Brazil, France, but they've not been consistent. That's the problem with them. But Brazil and France.
Football game is played on grass, not on paper, as spectre of elimination looms on bigger teams, in which the smaller teams like Saudi Arabia, Morocco, Tunisia, Japan, Korea shot the high FIFA ranked teams during the group stages of the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. The mighty teams like Belgium, Germany, Denmark, Mexico are out. Some teams fought like gladiators, Spartans and Persians to qualify. We witnessed how Serbian troops try to conquer Swiss army during the last group match but failed to do so. The German machines had their artilleries but could not apply it in time. It was drama of survival for Japan and Korea, elation of victory for Morocco and Senegal, pain of defeat for Belgium, and Arab morning called Saudi Arabia and Qatar respectively. Now we are going to the second round of FIFA World Cup. Are there going to be another shocker? Argentina are there, France are there, and Brazil. Are the smaller teams going to shock them? We'll see.